The universe, which our planet is a part of, is an awesome place. I'm always fascinated by the events and the things that take place in the universe. Many times I always try to understand and read and know many things in the past, present and the future connected to the universe. During my international travel, I have purchased some of the unique books. Sometimes some people will not have in their libraries. But I have read a lot about this awesome place. But one of the uniqueness of the universe is the checks and balances that takes place in the universe, that impact the human beings and all the beings that live in this planet Earth. The checks and balances are awesome. Now, for instance, on this coming 21st of December 2020, there's a great event that is going to take place called the Great Conjunction. The two of the largest planet of our planetary system, of the 9 planets, the largest planet is Jupiter, the second is Saturn. And these 2 planets, along with the Earth and the Sun, come onto one line and align and conjunct. First time after 20 years. This happens in every 20 years. The conjunction of the Saturn and the Jupiter, along with the Earth and the Sun. But this time is unique because it's happening after 400 years in such a closeness to each other, each of the planets. After 400 years. And it's also unique because it's happening after 800 years. It is happening in the night. And this uniqueness will have a significant impact on all the celestial beings on this planet Earth. When terrestrial events takes place, it is indeed have an impact on the celestial beings on the planet Earth. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not an astrologer and I don't believe in this half-baked astrologists who are really predicting things for commercial purpose and they are not true. But astrological science is really real. The science of universe is real. So, in the light of that, these things that happen terrestrially, it will impact all the celestial beings, all the human beings, some way or other. One thing is very clear, that you cannot change the date of your birth. Though sometimes some people try to now have children on particular date by artificially manuring that. You can't change the date of your birth. You can't change the gender. Sometimes some people try to change the gender as well. But generally it is not possible. You can't change the age. Some people try to reverse that. Michael Jackson tried to live up to 150 years, but he died at the age of 50. All the effort that he had taken to make sure that he live up to 150 years, money he spent got wasted. These things that happen, this happens for checks and balances. The universe always brings certain checks and balances to ensure these celestial beings don't get carried away with their abuse of their power and authority and their styles. In fact, we are living in this COVID era. As a result of that, so many changes are taking place. But this 21st of December, this unique event that is going to happen, will indeed have significant impact on all the celestial beings. I'm not going to predict all the things, but I can tell you very clearly, those things that would unfold on the planet Earth and all the celestial beings, it is happening for the checks and balances. The universe is ensuring and bringing the checks and balances so that man would realize that he is not the master. There's something beyond him, that he has to get into his place, tie his shoes, wear his gear and made ready for the journey ahead. And that is very important. In our lives, there has to be checks and balances. When we don't adhere to checks and balances, our universe ensures that we understand that, and it brings us those checks and balances so that our lives would be aligned to the right things in the right way at the right time.